Hi, I'm Jojo, Marketing Manager at Sitebulb. And in this video, I'm going to walk you through how to do a technical SEO audit, even if you're brand new to technical SEO, so that you can systematically find and fix the issues affecting search performance, user experience, and brand visibility in large language models like ChatGPT. A technical SEO audit is an in-depth check of your website's underlying infrastructure, the things that affect how AI search systems crawl, index, or cite in the case of LLMs, and render your pages so that users and search engines can find and view your content. It covers crawlability, indexability, performance, structured data, links, mobile friendliness, and more, which is a lot. But I'm going to show you how to conduct a technical SEO audit easily and methodically. A structured technical SEO audit template gives you a consistent process and ensures you don't miss crucial checks. It's especially useful in an agency setting when you might have multiple team members delivering audits for clients. The Sitebulb Technical SEO Audit template groups checks by category with prioritization, how-to documentation, video tutorials, and columns for pass, fail status, notes, and plan of action. Before you start, gather access to the tools you'll need. You'll need a crawler. You can download Sitebulb for free at sitebulb.com/download. Google Search Console and Google Analytics, and mobile speed test tools. These are actually built into Sitebulb, so you don't have to jump around different tools. Decide the scope of your audit. Are you auditing the entire site or a section of it? Do you want to see mobile or desktop data? Which kind of crawler do you want to use? The standard HTML or the JavaScript crawler? With your tools at the ready and your scope defined, run a full crawl with Sitebulb. The crawl is the foundation. It collects the data you will need to analyze for every technical check. Our technical SEO audit template organizes checks into key audit categories and actually mirrors how Sitebulb organizes its insights in the tool. So once you have your Sitebulb crawl data, go through each section in the template, referring to the insights provided in Sitebulb, and you can answer pass, fail, or adding notes where necessary. First, make sure Google can find your content. Check that key pages are indexed, no index and no follow are intentional, canonical tags are correct, robots.txt and sitemap are configured. Because if search engines can't crawl or index your pages, nothing else matters. So this is always going to be your first priority. And you need to check those crawl rules. Does robots.txt allow search bots? Is the sitemap listed and submitted to Search Console? Are key resources being blocked by mistake? Next, your site's internal linking structure matters. You want no broken links, no redirect chains, good internal link distribution, and orphan pages found and linked. Internal links guide both users and search engines. Poor linking can quietly kill performance. Check your on-page technical signals like title tags, meta descriptions, headers, alt text, duplicate content, and logical URL structure. These help search engines understand your pages and prevent duplication issues. Performance affects rankings, usability, and conversions, so it gets its own dedicated section in the audit. In your checklist, you'll need to verify things like LCP, FCP, total blocking time, and cumulative layout shift. With mobile-first indexing, your site needs responsive design, good font sizes, no intrusive pop-ups, and usable tap targets. Sitebulb's mobile-friendly hints will give you more than enough information to complete this section. Check schema markup across key pages. So organization, article, product, FAQs, things like that. Ensure it's valid and eligible for rich results. Schema doesn't guarantee rich results, but broken or misleading markup can definitely cause problems. Sitebulb's Schema Checker validates website structured data according to both Schema and Google guidelines, which is handy. If you have international content, verify hreflang implementation, reciprocation, correct targets, and consistent URL structure. If a site targets multiple regions or languages, this section becomes critical. and mistakes here are very common. Sitebulb's international report will help you complete this section. The goal of an audit isn't to list problems, it's to make smart decisions and outline what should happen next. So for each check you do, mark pass or fail, add notes, add a plan of action, and this will help you prioritize fixes for impact and urgency. Once you've completed the checklist, group issues by impact and effort. Present your findings with an issue summary, severity, recommended action, and ideally an estimated time it will take to fix. This makes your audit digestible for stakeholders. Remember, a good technical SEO audit is as much about communication as it is about analysis. So here are some key takeaways. Okay, now it's time to start auditing. Make your copy of the Technical SEO Audit template at sitebulb.com/technical-SEO. Good luck!